Now let's discuss the next topic, which is Scrum roles. So these are roles that a team members in a Scrum team would pick. So there will be one product owner, one Scrum Master, and the rest of the team members will be part of the team. So let's see each role in detail. The first role is product owner. Product owner is a subject matter expert on the technology and the product for which a Scrum team has been formed, and he or she is mainly responsible for three things. The first one is managing the Scrum backlog. Since the product owner is the single point of contact on everything about the product owner would have a clear idea of what work is important for this project or product, and is in a good position to create or to manage the Scrum backlog. So what we have is a product backlog, which is the whole list of work items for the product, and a product owner could prioritize work and pick some of the items into a Scrum backlog. The next important role is release management. So the product owner has a clear direction of where the project is heading towards. He or she has the roadmap and knows how best to deliver value for the customer. The third important aspect is stakeholder management. So the product owner has to manage and balance the needs of stakeholders. Stakeholders could be end users or sponsor users or customers, and the team itself. So product owner is like a bridge between the customers or end users and the actual development team. And the other important aspect of a product owner is the product owner has to provide feedback for all the work that has been showcased as part of sprint review meetings. This feedback is really important because product owner is essentially an architect or a subject matter expert on the product and should be able to guide the team and convey on behalf of the end user what the product should look like and what kinds of improvements are important, and this feedback will be used by the whole team for the upcoming sprints. The next role is Scrum Master. Scrum Master is neither a servant nor a leader, but a servant leader. So this role mainly serves the product owner in planning the sprint as well as the sprint review meetings. Product owner plays a very important role on a daily basis. The product owner has to look at any blockers that the team has and has to remove the obstacles so that the team can smoothly complete the tasks that are assigned to them. It's essentially a people-centric role. The Scrum Master will act as a coach. If needed, will teach and facilitate daily stand-ups, reviews and retrospective meetings. So Scrum Master plays an important role because he or she directly talks to the whole team on a daily basis and understands their challenges and tries to address any challenges. Challenges could be like machines are not available, need an extra machine, or could be technical, could be questions about the requirements, could be anything. So Scrum Master plays a major role and acts as an interface between the product owner and the team itself. And the last but not the least, it's very critical about the Scrum Master because the Scrum Master has to protect the teams from any external interruptions. So in order to avoid cycles being lost, so the Scrum Master will act as a shield to ensure that the team is focused on what's planned in the sprint and complete them in time. The team itself. So this is the preferred number of team members is 7 to 10, but it's not hard and fast rule. And the team could include anyone, like you could have designers, development, UX designers, testers, delivery staff, and you could also have sales, marketing, etc. So a Scrum team could have a variety of cross-functional team members. The main task that the team does is estimating work for the identified stories. So sometimes the team also has to come up with stories for a given work item, and as well as estimate it. The team is also focused on performing the work that has been agreed upon at the beginning of the sprint, and to finish it off in time, and also let the Scrum Master know about any blockers they have on a regular basis and get them removed. It's more about collaboration between the team, so they need to open up and actively participate in all meetings, including review and retrospective meetings. So the team has to trust one another and measure, reflect, think, and adopt. So it's essentially a self-adjusting team and self-organizing team. So they have a go on everything from sprint planning to, so they are free to discuss with the product owner and the Scrum Master of any new ideas or process improvements as well.